volume grew 1% across East Africa. And because of the reasons I talked about from a the consumer being quite depressed from a consumption perspective and share of wallet proportion of coming to our brands, we only grew volume 1%. But however, because of mix and because of pricing, the net sales grew by 13%.
Profit after tax down 12% from 12.3 to 10.9, and from an earnings per share perspective, it comes to 10.3 compared to 12.5 last year, a 17% decline, largely on account of performance in Tanzania, where we've seen some reduction, as I said, as interest and FX costs have come through quite strongly in the second half.
I wish to single out KBL's Project Rudisha, which has made great strides in promoting our grain-to-glass sustainability pillar through effective waste management and recycling. We're proud to have collected over 17 million spirit bottles in the past year, underscoring our dedication to reducing our carbon footprint and supporting the circular economy.